Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Subject Information Technology, Class 11 IT. I am Talib Munshi. I am teaching you Information Technology, Chapter number 3, Impressive Web Designing with the help of HTML5. Okay, student, today I am going to cover following topics. First, we will see what is hyperlink. Second one, syntax. And third one, usage of hyperlink. Now see first what is hyperlink. One of the most interesting things about HTML is ability to link out to other documents as well as files. You can connect or you can link one document with another document. You can link one picture with another documents or website. You can link one file to other file. When you link out to relevant pages and site sources in a web document, you make it more resourceful and useful. Interesting links in HTML pages is not at all a tough thing to do. It's very easy to link one document, or it is the link. This link is very easy. This hyperlink is very easy. The only requirement to be able to link to something in HTML are not too much, but just a couple of things. We need two things to link or to hyperlink. First one is you require URL or web address of the reference. Second one, knowledge about using HTML anchor tag. Knowledge about using HTML anchor tag means a tag. You need a tag and you need address or reference. These two things are important. You need a tag, anchor tag. Just not type anchor whole world, but just in tag. Tag means in between angular bracket. The reference means address. The reference means address could be anything from a web page to rich media file like an image, an email address, or a PDF document, etc. Hyperlinks are used to connect one document with another document. In HTML, links are created by using this tag, a tag. In HTML, links are created using a tag. Note down, when you open a website and click on a text or an image, it takes you to that page. It is also known as hyperlink. Syntax: we have seen a hyperlink means linking one page to another page, linking one website to other website, or linking one web page to another web page. So it creates a huge website. Now see the syntax. Remember this, very simple. First, I have explained you anchor tag is used to create a hyperlink. So in angular bracket type A, and then I have explained two things requirement. First one is reference or address and anchor tag. See, this is anchor tag and this is reference means address. href, it is called as href, is equal to, then equal to symbol, then in double inverted commas you have to type the reference, website or web page or image or whichever you want to link, you have to type here. Just mypage.htm or http://www.facebook.com. You can type here. Then close angular bracket of this A. Then in last close A tag. And in between you have to write click here for my page. This is syntax of hyperlink. This is syntax of hyperlink. The href attribute in the above syntax is used to specify address of the file, that is called as URL, which needs to be opened on clicking. Now third topic, we have seen what is hyperlink, then syntax of hyperlink, then usage of hyperlink or A tag. See, in this lecture I am not explaining you practical, just I am introducing you hyperlink. In next lectures I will explain practical. Table tag is remaining, practical table tag, then hyperlink is remaining, then I will explain you. But just see what is hyperlink. Just let me explain what is hyperlink and what is the use of hyperlink. First, it is enable you to jump to other slides quickly, to switch to another presentation, to open another file such as the Word document or Excel spreadsheet, to display a web page, or you can open an email like Gmail to someone. Okay, in this way today we have learned first what is hyperlink, then syntax, A tag and href, then some usage of hyperlink, means one use link to one document to another document. Okay, thank you student.